Hey there, and welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Today, I'll show you how to manually add a wireless Wi-Fi network in Windows. This is super useful if your laptop isn't detecting the network automatically, or if you're connecting to a hidden Wi-Fi for extra privacy. Let's fix it up. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Click to open it, then go to Network and Sharing Center. Now click on Set up a new connection or network. Select Manually, Connect to a wireless network and click. Next. Now fill in the details. Network name, exactly as it's spelled. Security type, usually WPA2 personal. Security key, this is your Wi-Fi password. Make sure Start this connection automatically is checked, then click Next and you're done. Windows will now connect to that network anytime it's in range, even if it's hidden. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel How to Fix Techie and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.